want to create scroll-stopping video ads that look professional, even if you're not a designer? In this video, I'll show you how to make eye-catching, high-converting video ads in Canva, step by step. From choosing the right templates to adding animations, effects, and sound will make your ad pop in just minutes. Let's dive in and create stunning video ads that stand out everywhere. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these video ads in Canva. Go to Canva, select your canvas size, and then select color and follow the process you see in the video. Then duplicate this page and follow the same method for more pages. Then add the product and adjust it. Then add a one animation if you like it. Add shadow for more realistic look. Then add one video of orange juice in a background and duplicate this page. All emotion. Staring down the barrel, waiting for the final, and follow the same process you see in the video. Add one more page. And go to duration. Then adjust the duration of all pages. And here is the final look.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.